What is up, guys? It's QCat here, and I'm on my server computer. Now, I built this thing for literally like 110 bucks. Pretty cheap. So, I found all the parts and put together a Dell Optiplex. Now, I recommend having a small GPU for this process, especially for a server you just want to play with your friends for. Now, it's not going to be this quality because I only have a GT 710, which is good enough to play video games at 60 FPS, which is very good for an old computer and everything. The processor is a here I'll show you. So let's put on CPU ID. I'm gonna show you what my computer consists of. It's a pretty crappy drive though, but you're not gonna need an SSD to run a server. You're gonna actually need a hard drive to run a server because it needs to be overwritten quite a bit. Now I have a Core i5, 2400. Pretty old, but I gotta say the thing runs pretty fast. I know you're gonna be like, "Oh my god, dude, that thing's so old," but hey, it runs fast. Now I recommend Windows 7 or Windows 8 at the most, Windows 8. But I really recommend old software because newer ones will eat up your RAM, which that's what I don't like. So that's why I use Windows 7. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up your browser, go to bucket server. You're going to want to search up Git bucket. Okay, now you want to go to, oh wait, that's a little too big. So let's enlarge this for you, you know. So you're going to want to go to downloads, spigot. You're going to want to select whatever version you want. For some reason it'll always say outdated when you run the CMD, but you just got to wait 20 seconds. I don't know, but it's good. The servers really run well. So pick your download. You're going to get the download. What you're going to want to do, here, I'll do it for you. Let's do a 1.12, right? Okay. So I run 1.8.9 usually, but if I do this, so you can run the jar file right here. Now we're gonna put a new folder in. Put this in the folder. Now you're gonna want to open a text document, preferably edit. Take my old server text. So you're gonna wanna put the text in. You can find this in most videos. But you're gonna wanna put text document, paste it in here. Spigot.jar. You're gonna wanna rename it. Just SPIGOT. And then yeah, I'll actually put this in the description, don't worry. Now you're gonna wanna save it as .bat run.bat. Now you have this. You can get rid of the text document. I like to. Oh, let me get rid of that. Okay. Now you have this. Loading libraries. Please wait. And now you're gonna be able to run this. You're gonna want to go to EULA. So now, this is basically saying your graded terms of services, which there are basically none, because anarchy servers and pirating Minecraft are actually allowed in these servers, so barely anything. Just don't do anything illegal on these. I really beg you not to, because I don't know. But you can let it generate after you go into EULA, and now you'll see all this text. It's gonna go to all this terminal stuff. So it's gonna load your server up for you, okay? Let me check everything. Okay, it's videotaping well. So you're gonna have your server running. We'll say done. We're gonna do stop, okay? Better way to save it. Saving chunks, continue. Now you're gonna put your server to server IP. For me, it's 192.168.0.24. Save it. You're going to want to go out. This file is not going to look like this. You're going to have to do open with or just press open. It will give you menu, select certain program that's already on your computer, and then do text edit or whatever this is, Notepad. Oh, I used to use Mac. God, that Mac's not the best. Don't do this on a Mac too. Don't run a server on Mac. Oh God. Actually, you shouldn't even. You should use it on Windows, but if you want to run a really good server and really put time into it, Linux or like highly, I don't know, just dedicate as much stuff to it as possible. For me, I'm not going to use as much. So in the run, all I used was 1 gig because I'm just playing with some friends. I'm not going to run a crazy full-on server. So now what you're going to want to do also, to port forward, you're going to want to go to 2.168.0.1, which is my IP, not my subnet mask, and you're going to want to go there, and I can't do this or it'll expose me, and you'll get your, also I recommend getting a domain, but you'll get your port forwarding, it goes outside the port, then you get a domain that is to your IP address, your public IP address. Now, this domain cannot be tracked to your IP address. Just for me, my IP is, I'll show you up on screen. Oh, this is a random IP I found on the internet. Okay, some IP you're going to want to put, for me, if you want to join my server anytime, qball626.duckdns.org. I got the cheapest URL because it's free. So it's qball626.dns.org. So if you want to actually get a thing like this, duck DNS. So you're going to want to go to this website. Good, my IP is not showing. Okay, so you can make what's it called? IP here, and you can select the Wi-Fi for it. And then when you're in your actual server, I've showed many videos of this. When you're in the server, you're going to want to open it up, Minecraft. You're going to want to go to your servers in multiplayer. You want to add one. You're going to put in your domain and or your URL or whatever, or your IP. If you're just playing with some trustworthy friends, you don't have to make a domain. But if you're going to make this thing go to anybody, yeah, I recommend you use a good domain. So that's it for the video. So that's how to make a server. Now you can put all your mods and plugins in here. It's only plugins, but they're basically mods that work with different versions of Minecraft. Now this is my server right here. So the plugins I have are all these, which I really recommend. They're really good. World Edit and World Guard are crucial to have. Now, that's it for the video. Hope you guys take care. Stay safe. And see you guys in the next vid.